Okay, today I applied the reflectix to the ceiling. Previously, I had applied 2 layers of 1-inch insulation, just hard foam insulation. I also put a layer of reflectix against the ceiling on the inside. So there's two layers of foam insulation and 2 layers of reflectix. Now that should keep out the heat and the cold and the sound. Okay, tomorrow we'll finish mounting the cedar boards to the ceiling. And you can see I've got wires here to accommodate the lighting, which will easily run off of the solar panels that's already mounted on the roof. And it's kind of halfway put together here, but I'll need to neaten that up a little bit. Should look better in a few days.